Hi, this is Karthik. I welcome you all for this session. In this session, I'm going to teach you how to create a new document in Adobe Photoshop CS6. Once again, I repeat the topic, how to create a new document in Adobe Photoshop CS6. In order to achieve the task, we need to open Adobe Photoshop CS6. It's quite simple. Go to the taskbar and click the Adobe Photoshop CS6 icon. When you click the icon, it will take you to the user interface or the IDE, Integrated Development Environment. The user interface consists of menus like Files, Edit, Image, Layer, Type, Select, Filter, View, Windows, and Help. Adobe Photoshop CS6 features a comprehensive toolbar, which is an essential element for accessing various tools needed for image editing and design. And this is the option to expand the panel if required, or else we can collapse the panel. And here we have the palettes like color, swatches, adjustments, styles, layers, and so on. And here we have the option collapse to icon. We can restore the panels by using the option expand panels. The workspace switcher is used to customize our workspace. It consists of essentials, new in CS5, design, painting, photography, reset essentials, new workspace, and delete workspace. The option new workspace allows you to customize your own workspace. For quick editing, the default option in the workspace switcher is essentials. Now we are going to create a new document. Go to file menu and click the option new, or else we can use the shortcut Ctrl+N. When you click the option new, the new pop-up window will appear, and it consists of various mandatory parameters to be filled and updated. The first mandatory parameter is the name. We should provide a name to the document. And the next option is the preset, where preset is the collection of default templates offered by Adobe Photoshop, where preset consists of clipboard, default photo size, US paper, international paper, photo, web, mobile and devices, film and video, and the option custom. For example, if we select the option international paper, the option size consists of different international paper sizes like A4, A6, A5, A3, B5, B4, B3, C6, C5, C4, DL. Based on your selection, the height and width automatically changes. You can see the height and width automatically changes when I change the paper size. The option size offers various paper size with fixed height and width from Adobe Photoshop. We can choose a paper size according to the requirement. For example, I'm going to select the preset option film and video, where we can see the parameters like width, height, resolutions are automatically updated. The option size pops up with plenty of options like HD, Full HD, Film 2K, and Film 4K. The preset option customs allows you to customize all the parameters as you like. I'm going to update the parameter width by 920 pixel and the parameter height by 1080 pixel. Next, we are going to discuss the most important parameter, the unit. Units are used to measure and define various aspects of your document. Helps you to control the size, spacing, and positioning of elements. Adobe Photoshop CS6 offers 7 default units: pixels, inches, centimeters, millimeters, points, picas, columns. Pixels are used for web or screen-based design. A pixel, which is a short for picture element, is a small component of the picture. Inches are used for flux, banner, and printing. Inches are used for print design in US. We can use the centimeter while designing greeting card, invitation, and visiting cards. Millimeters are used for print design in UK and Europe. Points are more intended as a print measurement. They are still very common to use, but comparing them to pixel is going to give you varying result. Point is a print term and has no meaning in digital display. Picos are used to represent fixed horizontal measurements and column width. It is used for designing newspapers, ads, magazines, journals, and newsletters. One pica is equal to 1/6 of an inch or 12 points. Now I'm going to select the unit pixel. The next parameter is resolution. The term resolution refers to the number of small squares known as pixels that describe an image and establish its detail. Resolution is determined by pixel dimensions or the number of pixels along the width and height of an image. The minimum resolution is 72 ppi and the maximum is 300 ppi, where ppi stands for pixel per inch. This example explains ppi in detail. The first is 72 ppi. It means that for 1 inch height and width, there are 72 squares. The second example, 150 ppi, consists of 150 squares in 1 inch height and 1 inch width. The third example, 300 ppi, consists of 300 squares in 1 inch height and 1 inch width. The fourth example, 10 ppi, consists of 10 rows and 10 columns in 1 inch height and 1 inch width. The fifth example, 20 ppi, consists of 20 rows and 20 columns in 1 inch height and 1 inch width. The maximum value for the resolution is 300 ppi and the minimum value is 72 ppi. I'm going to show you how many pixels are in 1 inch height and 1 inch width. With a resolution of 72 ppi, I'm going to change the width and height to 1 inch. When I change the height unit to pixel, it automatically changes to 72. It means that 1 inch height, 1 inch width consists of 72 pixels. If I change width and height units to inches, the value 72 is automatically converted into 1. It means that 1 inch height, 1 inch width consists of 72 pixels. Now I'm going to change the resolution value to 300 ppi. Now I'm going to change the height and width unit to pixel. Now you can see the height and width values automatically changes to 300. So based on the resolution, the height and width value will change. The next important parameter is the color mode. The color mode consists of bitmap, grayscale, RGB color, CMYK color, and lab color. The first option is bitmap, where bitmap consists of only 1 bit. We rarely use this option. And the size of the image is 11.1K, where 8, 16, and 32 bits are disabled. The next option is the grayscale. Grayscale refers to a color mode that uses various shades of gray to represent an image. This mode contains only black, white, and intermediate shades of gray. Grayscale comes with 18, 16, and 32-bit. If you select 8-bit, the image size is 87.9K. If you select 16-bit, the image size will be changed to 117.8K. If you change to 32-bit, the image size will be changed to 351.6K. The next color mode is RGB color. RGB, or red, green, and blue, or additive colors. The RGB color space is very large and is ideal for image that would be used for web and presentation purpose. RGB color comes with 8, 16, and 32-bit. If you select 8-bit, the image size will be 263.7K. If you select 16-bit, the image size will be double, that is 527.3K. If you select 32-bit, the image size will be doubled, that is 1.03M. The next color mode is CMYK color. The CMYK, or process color, is the color mode used in commercial printing to create a full color graphics and images. The process involves combining various amount of cyan, magenta, yellow, and black ink to produce the full spectrum of colors, and specifically used for printing purpose. This color mode comes with 8 and 16-bit, where 32-bit is disabled. The last color mode is the lab mode. The lab stands for lightness, channel A and channel B. It's a global color mode where you can specify any color by giving numerical values across 3 different channels to edit image colors. Lab color comes with 8 and 16-bit, where 32-bit is disabled. For image editing, I am going to select RGB color and 8-bit. The next parameter is background contents. Background content consists of 3 options: white, background color, and transparent. So now I'm going to create a white screen. In order to create a white screen, I want to change the width value to 1920 pixel and height to 1080 pixel. Resolution 300 ppi, color mode RGB color, and background content white. Click OK in order to create a new document with the background color white. Since we choose the option white in the background contents, go to File and go to New and go to Background Contents and change the option Background color and click OK. A new document is created with the background color red. Why the background color is red? Since the background color of the Photoshop is red, the same color is applied to the new document. Now we will swap the foreground and background colors. Go to File and go to New and go to Background Contents and change the option Background Color and click OK. Now we can see a new document is created with the background color yellow. Since the background color of the Photoshop is yellow, now we are going to create a blank document with a transparent background. Go to File, go to New and select the background content to transparent and click OK. Now we have created a new document with a transparent background. Go to File and click New. The next option we are going to discuss is Advanced. The option Advanced is having two drop downs, namely Color Profile and Pixel Aspect Ratio. Leave the color profile as it is and change Pixel Aspect Ratio to square pixels and change the background contents to white and click OK. Now we have created a new document with white background. Next step, I'm going to change the background of the document. I'm going to use Paint Bucket tool and choose a color and change the background. Now this is the time to save the document. And how to save the document? Go to File and click the option Save As. When you click the option Save As, the Save dialog box will pop up. Go to Desktop, create a new folder and rename the folder as you like. Open the folder and provide a name in order to save the document. I'm going to save the document as example 1. Photoshop offers a plenty of file formats. We can choose a file format based on our requirement and need. PSD files are the native file format of Adobe Photoshop CS6, where PSD stands for Photoshop document. Click the option Save in order to save the document. Once again, we are going to save the document in a different file format. Go to File, click the option Save As, change the file format to JPEG, where JPEG stands for Joint Photographic Experts Group. JPEG is a standard image format for containing loosely and compressed image data. Click the option Save in order to save the document. When you click the option Save, JPEG options windows pops out, where we can able to change image options like quality, file size and file format and click OK. Open the output folder what we have created in the desktop. The file consists of two outputs. One is PSD file, other one is JPEG file. Just double click the JPEG file in order to view the output. JPG file is an image file, where PSD file is a Photoshop file. If you want to do the changes or updates, we can use the PSD file. The next task is how to print a document in Adobe Photoshop CS6. Go to File and go to the option Print and click the option Print. When you click the option Print dialog box will pop up. In the printer setup option, we want to choose the printer we wish to print. If you wish to save the output file as a PDF file, go to the option Microsoft Print PDF and select the option Microsoft Print to PDF. We can customize other parameters like color handling and printer profile based on the requirement. Color handling consists of two options, namely Printer Manages Color and Photoshop Manages Color. After customizing all the parameters, click the option Print. When you click Print dialog box will pop up. Select the option Microsoft Print to PDF and click Print. When you click Print, the Save dialog box will pop up. Go to Desktop and select a folder where you wish to save the PDF. Provide a file name in order to save the PDF file and click the option Save. Now we save the document as a PDF file. In order to view the PDF file, just open the output folder where you can find the PDF file. Just double click it in order to open it. Now you can see the output in the PDF format. I think you guys have enjoyed this video and thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe the video.